Have you ever seen something cute and felt like you want to give it a bite or squish it?
Take a look at this cat. Do you feel an urge to squeeze it or maybe even pinch its cheeks? If so, then you're not alone. This reaction is something called cute aggression.
Well, first, we have to define what makes something cute. The word cute came from the word acute, which was firstly used as a slang for pretty girls. But then it had a new meaning and was used to describe small, cuddly, youthful traits. Konrad Lorenz studied cuteness in living things and listed what we consider cute. Bigger head compared to a smaller body proportion, with big eyes, round and soft body features. Interestingly, these particular traits can be found in human babies. If cuteness makes us instinctively protective and want to take care of our own offsprings, it makes sense. The funny thing is, we also get the same response when we find these traits in other things than babies.
Interestingly, researchers have also found out that the feeling of cuteness can also be found in many species of non-human animals, like rats, which has been observed to experience a similar dopamine release when exposed to cute stimuli. We can also observe this from their behavior. Some animals, like cats, have been found to be drawn to human faces, especially if they are smiling or making gentle sounds. So, while we can peek at animal mind and ask if they think they are cute or not, the behavior can suggest that they do appreciate our presence and even think that we are also there. She adorable pet.
Cute aggression is not a mental illness, it's a normal feeling that anyone can experience. However, we usually don't act on it by biting or squeezing anything.
It's when something is so overwhelmingly adorable that your brain doesn't know how to handle it. So it throws in a little bit of aggression into the mix. Not to cause any harm, but to help you manage those intense positive feelings. Cute aggression might make you feel like you want to squish, hug, or even say things like, "It's so cute, I could just eat it up." Or do this little gesture when you see a picture of a cute animal and you just go, "Oh, that is just so cute!" Like that. That is an example of cute aggression.
From what I've observed, feeling cute aggression towards small or chubby animal is normal. This is another example of a picture that might evoke such a feeling in you. This hamster sat cutely in the spoon. You might want to do something like this woman.
But don't worry, that doesn't mean that you actually want to harm the animal or baby or whatever it is that you think is cute. It's just your brain's way of trying to balance out the flood of affection you're feeling.
Cute aggression kicks in when animals display instantly adorable behaviors, like those big brown eyes that seem to sparkle with innocent tiny moments that make them look even more delicate or soft, fluffy fur that begs to be touched. It's that overwhelming moment when their cuteness becomes almost too much to handle, and you're flooded with a mix of affection and an almost uncontrollable urge to squeeze them. This feeling often is hardest when you witness a kitten belly or at a ball of yarn with tiny, uncoordinated paws. A puppy tilting its head in curiosity as if trying to understand the world around it, or a baby animal snuggling into a warm, cozy spot. It's in these moments that the cuteness reaches an intensity that can almost knock you over, triggering that strange but completely natural desire to screen or gently squish them as if you could somehow contain all that adorableness in your hands. Whether it's the way they move, the softness of their fur, or the pure, unfiltered expression of trust and playfulness in their eyes, these creatures seem to have a direct line to our hearts, Acute aggression isn't about wanting to hurt them, of course, but rather an instinctive reaction to their overwhelming genius. It's as if your brain is struggling to process how something could be so incredibly adorable. And in that struggle, it sends out signal that mix love and enormously out to space.
Cute aggression it's when you experience an overwhelming urge to squeeze or bite or other physical expression to something you find extremely cute, like a baby, pet, or like a cute toy. Although the word aggression it's in the name of it, but actually it's not relevant to harm or anything kind of that way. In contrast, it's a way to regulate a intense positive emotion triggered by cuteness only.